Hello audience, welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about Political Science Paper 1 MCQs of CSS 2002. So the first one is an essay concerning human understanding is written by John Locke. And John Locke is the founding father of US Constitution. And the father had planned a legal for his son, but the son had no inclination towards that. Who was the son? So, option D, none of these. The Spirit of Law, a famous book of Montesquieu, divisible into six parts. Total number of volumes of this book are option B, 31. And political science begins and ends with the state is said by Professor Garner. So political science all about state. And Thyau'l-ulum was the chief work of Muslim philosopher Al-Ghazali. And according to Aristotle, which is bad government of the rich? So option B, oligarchy. Constitutional classified as rigid and flexible in a book titled Studies in History and Jurisprudence was written by Lord Bryce or James Bryce in 1901. So both authors have written this book, Studies in History and Jurisprudence. And Wealth of Nation was a famous book written by Adam Smith. And Aristotle is the original name of Plato, option A. And which of these books represents the scheme of Plato philosophy? So option B, The Republic. And Muqaddamah was the great work of option A, Ibn Khuldun, a famous Muslim philosopher. And Asabia was enunciated by Ibn Khaldun, option D. The theory of divine rights of king was presented by King James of England in which century? So it is in 17th century, option B. And to rule is to educate is said by option D, none of these. Our discourse on the origin of inequality and the social contract was presented by J.J. Rousseau, option A. And sovereignty is which one of the following bases of the state? So option C, spiritual. So sovereignty is the spiritual basis of the state. And the law is the body of principle recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice is said by option C, Salmond. Salmond is a political scientist. And the term propaganda acquired derogatory sense after World War One. World War One started in 1914 up to 1918. So option C. And the word polis mean a city-state, option C. And in which century Austinian theory of sovereignty was refuted by pluralists? So it was in 20th century. So option C. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Please like and subscribe Dawn Times for latest updates and notification. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.